King Midas was initially proud of his golden touch. He touched his throne, and it shimmered with gold. He touched his clothes, and they transformed into golden robes. The king felt powerful and rich. However, his stomach soon rumbled with hunger. He reached for a juicy apple, eager to take a bite. As his fingers grasped the fruit, it turned into solid gold. Midas's daughter, Marigold, loved the palace gardens. She skipped through the vibrant flowers, her laughter echoing through the air. But today her joy turned into sorrow. Her favourite rosebush with its velvety petals stood cold and stiff. The roses were now golden statues, devoid of life and fragrance. Tears welled up in Marigold's eyes. Frustration gnawed at King Midas. He longed to savour his food, to feel the soft petals of a rose, but everything he touched turned into cold, hard metal. His golden touch, once a blessing, now felt like a curse. In a moment of desperation, he reached out to comfort his crying daughter. As his hand made contact with her, Marigold turned into a lifeless golden statue. Horrified, Midas recoiled in terror. His greed had cost him dearly. Suddenly, a stranger appeared before him. He explained that the golden touch could be reversed by bathing in the Pactolus River. Midas, filled with remorse and hope, rushed towards the river. He plunged his hands into the flowing water, the touch of the river cool and refreshing. He cupped his hands and drank, the water washing away his greed. When he returned to the palace, Marigold was playing in the garden. The roses bloomed with their natural beauty. Midas embraced his daughter, his heart overflowing with gratitude. He had learned a valuable lesson. True wealth lies not in possessions, but in love and the simple joys of life.